Hello, I'm Sky, an Oriental medicine doctor. Today's treatment is when your thumb joint hurts. Your bones are hurting right now. According to Oriental medicine, the bones are related to the energy of the kidneys. Then we treat this pain by controlling the meridian of the kidneys. Why treat kidney meridians when it's finger pain? In Oriental medicine, the reason why all things work is the principle of the 5 elements. It's divided into wood, fire, soil, metal, and water. You may not interested this now, but I think you will understand it if you keep watching my videos. If you think about the image of the position of the meridians from top to bottom, you will understand it a little bit. The structure of our bodies is also adapted to these 5 elements from the outside. When you treat a disease, you choose one of the 5 elements depending on where it happened. Of course, each of the meridians belongs to one of the 5 elements. Each of the 5 elements has its own properties and characteristics. When we learn about these things, we can apply them to any disease that happen to us. I'm telling you these things. The same goes for today's topic, finger pain. Because it's a bone problem, you think it belongs to the bottom of the 5 elements, water. So you are treating the point of the place that has nothing to do with the place of the pain. Our bodies also go inside in the order of skin, flesh, and bones. You can think of these 5 elements from top to bottom. The principle of all things in the world are the same. The principles of our human body also move in the same way as those of nature. That's why our bodies react sensitively to changes in the environment or weather. Many people wake up at dawn when they get older. As we get older, our energy declines. That's why our bodies will react at dawn when the yang starts. In order to catch the disease, it's only possible to eliminate the cause by looking at the environment, body conditions, and surrounding conditions. Today's the topic, thumb joint hurts. Because it belongs to the bone, I chose the kidney meridians. Since there is a pain in the bones of the fingers and the bone involved in the meridian of the kidney, the tabec and tege points are treated to relieve the excess energy of the kidneys. The treatment method is at the end of this video. The treating points I'm telling you right now has nothing to do with where they hurt. As you may wonder, people who have already seen acupuncture in Oriental medicine clinics, regardless of the place of the pain or disease. Yes, that's really what Oriental medicine is about. You don't go to one Oriental medical clinic and pay for treatment, so just take it light and apply it. If you feel okay, and do it from time to time and determine the frequency of treatment according to the response. I'm very grateful that I can cure my disease with a ballpoint pen. It is my wish that this way will spread throughout the world. Have a blessed day today. I'll come back with another treatment next time. If you haven't already clicked on the subscription, please click on it now. Thank you.
Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the toenail. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the toenail. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment.